Y'all, today, very, very simple. You want to create a cute little tag for your tier tray, your vignette, stick in a floral arrangement over to the side maybe, or something like that. That's what I would use these for. We'll use our dark wax on this. I think we're going to use dark wax. Okay, so these tags I got from Hobby Lobby, I think. Just a whole bunch of these in a pack for, I don't even know, maybe $2 or $3. Wipe some of that back. So y'all can, so this is actually, let me do the back. I just okay. So what we're gonna do here is no, this is gonna be simple. So I'm gonna take these little wooden stars. Of course, this you can get in the pack from Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has these. And my question is, let me see if I like this. If not, it's just paint. We can paint over. We're gonna add a little bit of this. I'm just offloading some of this wax that I have on here. Yeah, this is going to be kind of a Americana, but let me see here. I'm going to dry brush some of this on. I'm not going to do a full coverage. I'm just kind of dry brushing that on there. I think I like that. Okay, do I have a blue? Yes, I have a blue on my desk. So that's what it's going to look like there. Of course. So how about, I may use though a little gold, since my pieces are gold. These are the gold. And so this I'm using the Pint Art in, I think that's just gold. Pint Art in that gold. Y'all, I just use my fingers on it. You can use a little brush, whatever you want. Alright, so I got some gold on the edges right there. Alright, so we're going to get these glued down. And then we're going to put some of these on here. We'll use some of this. That's cute. And then we have this other, we'll put this eagle head on here. I have to use smaller ones. But anyway, here's a tag that you can put, like I said, on a gift or in a vignette, or I did mine more rustic, so you can see the blue and the red there. But anyway, you can, look how pretty these are just on here by themselves. Those are pretty. Or you can put bling around here. That would be pretty. Ooh, that would be pretty. If I had the gold bling. Okay, so that's our other tag. So see, it's real simple. Just make simple little tags with these. How cute is that? That's cute. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put a pretty, I don't know if I can get this in there. It's kind of thick. Yeah, that looks pretty. That's pretty. And then more rustic, however you like yours. And then Oh, so when you order this pack, you'll get a free set of these patriotic cards. How cute are these? I love that one too. So I'm going to use this, and I'll just show you what you can do with this one, or these cards. Okay, so all I'll do is we take our B7000, which this comes in our Rhinestone kit as well. Oh, I had already started over here. Anyway, here's your little rhinestones. This comes in the kit as well. So that kit has everything you need to get started with your bling. Y'all, you can, with that kit, you can bling your shoes, your purses, your hair pieces, like hair clips or headbands, caps, you name it, you can bling it. And that's just so fun and easy, y'all. So fun. But what I was going to show you was I was going to take a frame like this. Let's see if I can put that in there. I'm going to continue blinging this out, but so you had that. You know, it doesn't have to be something elaborate, just something cute that you can put on your bags, in your tiered tray, on your vignette, whatever. Give them as gifts. Put these on your gift bags. So anyway, I will see y'all soon.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.